There's a singing river down in Alabama. Yeah, that singing river is the heartbeat of Dixieland. Seemed like the red dirt stretched on forever, as far as the eye could see. And the young men from Carolina, they came down through Tennessee. They reached the valley and crossed the water with the help of the Chickasaw man. And come spring, they cleared down trees and planted cotton on the Cherokee land. Beside that singing river down in Alabama. Yeah, that singing river is the heartbeat of Dixieland. We're the red man, he left the valley, but his spirit lives on today. He watches down around harvest time as they haul all the cotton away. Down that singing river down in Alabama. Yeah, that singing river is the heartbeat of Dixieland. And the heart is beating on and on, and the river's like a rolling stone. And if you listen, you can hear him still singing that same old song. Yeah, that same